Hi, and welcome to a very brief demonstration on how to make your own creamy scrub cleanser at home. Very simple ingredients, three to four ingredients that are safe to use at home and safe on your surfaces. I would use my creamy cleanser for any kind of porcelain, to get any stains off, to get any grime in my sinks, tub, faucet. I'll use this creamy cleanser, and very simple. It stores well, it lasts a long time. So I'm going to take about, just make a small amount, take about half a cup of baking soda, take about 3 teaspoonfuls of liquid soap, I'm going to take 2 capfuls of hydrogen peroxide, 3% solution, found at supermarkets and pharmacies. And then, I like the smell of limes. I usually add a little lime juice. It's excellent. You can add a little water or a little more juice if you'd like it a little bit thinner. But this is quite creamy. So there you go. That's the demo. Got my scrub brush and my microfiber cloths to do the cleaning. That's all I need. Thanks.